Lockdown. Everybody's in lockdown. So it made me think, how can you make some dollars while you are stuck in lockdown? You're away from all people. Let's think worst case scenario for a second. You're stuck at home by yourself. All you've got is your internet and your computer. How can you make some dollars? Let's find out. Let's find some ways. Okay, let's just dive into my 101 side hustles list. So we're going to have a look at this, and we're going to see if we can find some quarantine specific ones away from other people. So it's not going to all be relevant, but I'm going to leave a link down below and jump onto this list and just scroll through and take your time and have a look and see what you can find that would be best suited for you. So starting from the very top, affiliate marketing or Clickbank affiliate marketing. Excuse me. I haven't got the virus, by the way. Clickbank affiliate marketing, very easy to do. All you need to do is jump onto clickbank.com, set up your own account, and you can start promoting a whole range of products. There's so many products out there. Just pick something that's really close to your heart, something you're passionate about, and you can promote it in heaps of different ways. I've left a bit of a list here, so just follow through and it tells you how to do it. So if that's something that interests you, there's some videos and stuff as well. That's something you can do at home in front of your computer and quite successfully as well. Gaming is another one. Anyone that's already into gaming knows that sort of thing, how you can make money on that. Join a share trading club, well, if you're into share trading. Let's find some real good specific ones though. Social media rockstar, so you can really brush up on your social media skills, how you can boost your profiles, things like that, so you've got the time to really invest in setting up your profiles the right way, and how you can link those to products that you can sell. So that's a good one as well. Crowdfunding real estate means you have to contact other people. Mystery shopping, forget it, you're not going out of the house. Finding products so people that are looking for specific products, you probably have to go out and get them, so that means forget that one. YouTube manager. Again, if you're handy with SEO and sorting out videos and editing and things like that, you can do that for other people. You'd have to contact them via email and things and work out how you get paid. Tax agent, forget it. A niche website builder. So not unlike the Clickbank affiliate marketing, you can actually build a website specific to your niche, and there's just about any niche there is. There's a free downloadable ebook that'll give you step-by-step on how to do that if you want. So jump onto the website and check that out. Referring employees, well, people are getting laid off left, right, and center, so let's not go there. Website coding, well, making websites via coding, if that's what you're into. Notary public, no, don't want to be in the public. SEO expert, well, this is a good skill that you should have no matter what. It's probably not something you're going to learn in the month that you're in quarantine, but it's definitely, if you do a lot of online business, it's something you should know. Web search evaluator, well, if you want to jump onto Google and start sorting out people's websites. If you're a bit creative, an infographic creator, so you can do that on things like Canva or Photoshop and things like that, and sell your services on Upwork or Fiverr. Google AdSense, that's probably a long-term thing. But you can run ads again for your Clickbank marketing. You can just run ads. You sort of need to know a little bit, so it'll take you a bit of time to organize that, but you do need to know what you can and can't advertise for. Writing songs, perfect. If you're musically, pick up your guitar, you're there by yourself. Start writing things down, recording it, and get it out there. Creating a comparison website, again, it's a bit of a long term on that one. Trading on cryptocurrency, warning, don't just dive into this. If you don't really know what you're looking for, you can lose a lot of money, so be very careful on that one. Charity collector, we're not going outside, forget that. creating and editing videos. Now, you can do this via email for other people, but if you do know how to edit videos, that's certainly something that you can do and post it for them or produce it for them. Doing online competitions, yeah, you could do that. Whenever you do sign up to these competitions, though, it's usually just a ruse to get your name and address, and they build their own list from that. You don't make a lot of money from it, so I would skip that one. But if that's what you love doing, it's a good way to pass the time, that's for sure. Doing voiceovers, if you're at home in front of your computer, you can do voiceovers, read from scripts, things like that, and record them, post them. Again, Fiverr or Upwork can help you out with that one. An employment agent, no, nobody's being employed at the moment, so we're all doom and gloom there. Reviewing websites, you can just Google these there's a bit of info if you want to read them, but just jump on and Google how to be or how to do. Language teacher, well, I mean, there are some online opportunities at the moment, definitely. Online courses, people via distance learning, that's very big at the moment, of course. Creating videos, how-to videos. There's even templates and things that you can do to teach people how to do things. So that's in front of your camera. Flipping domains, good fun, especially if you find ones that you really want. Again, you kind of need to know things like SEO and what you're doing there. So it's not something you can jump into a short term, I think. Clothing rental, no, we don't want anything to do with people. Black market homework, no, no one's really going to school at the moment. Purchasing websites, a lot like domain flipping. You do need to know what you're doing, how to SEO those sites, things like that. Dating consultant, no one's going out, no one's dating. Writing content, very easy. If you love to sit and write, plenty of ways there. Some videos and some information there. If that's something that may interest you, definitely jump on those. I'm just going to scroll through these pretty quickly because I don't want to go through all 101. Feel free to dive in and scroll through at your own leisure. We're just looking for at home by ourselves, no contact with people. Drop servicing, that's a good one as well. So that's just you being a middleman. Somebody wants something made, let's say it's a logo made, and they pay you to make a logo, and then you just jump on Fiverr and get somebody to pay for a much smaller price, and then send it back to the client. You're just a middleman. It's getting quite big though. Drop shipping. I'm sure you've heard that term. Jump onto AliExpress, you can find almost anything, and then just set up like a Shopify store. Run some traffic to it, and anything you do sell, you make money on, of course. A tutor, again, stay away from that. Pet sitting, we're staying away from people. House sitting, we're stuck at home, admittedly. Writing speeches, if you know anyone famous. Travel consultant, forget it, no one's traveling. Garage sale, nope. Graphic designer, again, like infographics, if you're creative, that sort of thing. Ad creator, people are always looking for ads. Now in this time, that's not too bad because people are stuck at home. They don't know how to advertise correctly. So if you can create ads, and then they can put them up, or you can put them up on advertising for them, that's not too bad. Op shop, we're not going out. Starting a company, nope, we want short term. Social bookmarking, a bit boring. Creating a business plan, well, for other people, if you want to put together the plan, do the research, all that sort of thing, that's not too bad. That's all just online research. Put it into a file and sell that file as a business, or somebody that's interested in doing that business, that's not too bad. Testing websites, there's a bunch of that will pay you to go through and test their website, so while you're sitting at home, that's perfect. Rent out your car space, again, nobody's really going out. Work remotely from a company, well, that's what they're telling everybody to do at the moment. Now, this is not bad if you're an instructor of some sort. So say you may have just lost your job being a boot camp person or a martial arts instructor, and they've just cancelled they said, no, you can't hold any more lessons. You can video the lessons and then send it out to your staff or your class, and they can do it online. So you might set up a YouTube channel and call it your class, and then people can log on and do it in their own time. Now that's really in this time where they're cutting people's businesses. That's ideal. Start your own t-shirt business. Again, that's just a product, selling a product to an online store. Proofreading, again, something easily you can do sitting here in front of your computer. Micro jobs, if they're sort of computer based, that's fine. Creating WordPress templates, so all the templates that you see around for websites, you can actually build those, but again, it's not something short term, it's something you really need to know what you're doing. Clickworker, digital tasks, that's a lot like Upwork and things. Jump on Just Answer or Quora, so these are people that are asking questions. If you know something about a specific product, you can just jump on there and answer their questions away. The way you would monetize that is you would set up your profile and probably have an affiliate link to a product. But there's plenty of forums out there. Be an Instagram influencer. You either got it or you don't got it, I guess, in that one. But if that's something you can do. Car rental, forget it, we don't want that sort of thing. Turnkey affiliate site, so this is buying an affiliate website rather than build it. If you just want to buy it, it's probably less than $100. You can just buy one and be ready to rock. Creating backlinks, you need to know a bit more about that. Email marketing, that's a longer term thing where you build your email list and sell to your own list. Make a membership site. Again, if you were a martial arts instructor, that's something good. People can pay you instead of going to your class every week, they might pay you online, and then they just access all the videos that you make. Freelance blogger. So people are doing that all over the world. Startup investor. No, we don't want to get into that sort of thing. Digital marketing agent. Medium partner. So that's a writing blog if you're a writer. Telemarketer. I guess people are still using the phone to do business. So from home, that's something you could do. Narrating audiobooks. If you've got a bit of a unique voice, it's ideal. Buy and sell domains. Writing. Airtasker, probably stay away from Airtasker because that's person to person. Become a Facebook ad agent. So if you know how to place ads on Facebook, do it for anyone that's out there, and you just add on your commission, of course. Audio transcriber. I've been doing a little bit lately through rev.com, and where the audio is not so good and you just need to type it out in the way that it reads, and you can make some money on that. That's not too bad. It's a good way to pass the time, actually. And they pay you every week straight to your PayPal, so that's pretty good. That's rev.com. Sell stock photos. Again, you're stuck in the house. So. Making apps, need to know what you're doing. Graphic design, if you're that way inclined. Shopify stores, sales, creating software. These are very long-term ones. So business consultant, we want just by ourselves, stuck at our computer. Being a funnel hacker, so if you make sales funnels for businesses, that can be quite lucrative and a lot of fun too. I do that one as well. Do-it-yourself sales funnel. So these are ready-made sales funnel that all you need to do is download them to your account and start driving traffic to them, and then more or less they're all set up for you, they're done for you. So that's what the sales funnel has already made, and then you just implement it. So there's some ideas there if you want to do that. Coaching, no, we're not doing that. Virtual assistant, well, that's anyone that wants to do anything online, and you do it for them, and they'll pay you for the privilege. Drop shipping, so that's of course as we talked about before, like Alibaba or AliExpress. Amazon Associates, again, that's affiliate, so that's anyone you refer any product on Amazon, and when somebody comes through and buys that product, you make a commission of that. It's not a very big commission, it's usually 4 or 5%, but you can do that. Create and sell online courses, again, that's a longer term thing, but quite profitable over the long period of time. Start a YouTube channel. Everyone should have a YouTube channel, I think. It's kind of fun. A niche blog site. So whatever it is you're passionate about, you can just keep making content around it. Build your website. You can add affiliate links and stuff if you want to sell and make money that way. You can run ads, make money running ads. Tells you full steps on how to do that if you want to go through there. Follow the bouncing ball, easy. Be a social media marketing manager. So you can manage other people's social media sites, other businesses. You can use their Facebook, keep it up to date, post on Instagram several times a day, all that sort of stuff. You can do that for them, and they'll pay you for the privilege of doing that. They don't want to handle it. Number one, of course, affiliate marketing. This is how I make my money. Very easy to do. You can do it in your own niche, whatever it is you're passionate about. Anything. Could be dogs, food, whatever. Very easy to do. And all you need to do is promote products, and when people buy that products, you'll get a commission. Some of them are very lucrative commissions, so a much bigger commission. So there's some videos on how to do that. It's certainly something you can do at home, very easy, very quickly. So there's some ideas. Hopefully that'll give you some ideas to while you're stuck at home, while we're all stuck at home, and how you can make some moolah on the side. So stay healthy and get your side hustle, your coronavirus side hustle started straight away. If you're interested at all at affiliate marketing or entrepreneurship, be sure to click the link right below and go through to the Oz Affiliate website and join the mailing list. There's going to be heaps of bonuses and information that you can use, tools, things like that. Go ahead, jump through there, click on and just enter your details. That'll put you on the mailing list, and you'll be given access to a whole bunch of resources for you to use and learn. When you come through, be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel. That way you'll get information as soon as it's released. Like the Facebook page. Again, if you're a Facebook junkie, make sure you jump onto that page. And then jump into whatever avenue that you want to learn more about. If you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, this will take you through here, the 30-day challenge. In the 30 days, just 30 days, you can have an up and running online business in your own niche. Whatever you're good at, whatever you're an expert in, this is what you want to build a business around that, something that you know and are passionate about. That will show you step by step, 1 hour a day for 30 days, you'll have it up and running. If you need any references to books, your favorite entrepreneurs, go through the search there. Clickbank training, if you're a Clickbank affiliate, plenty of training available there. Some free books, there's a couple of free books. The new one, Traffic Secrets, you can get that for free just by clicking this link. There's also the .com secrets and expert secrets. Lead generation, if that's what you're after. Some more marketing secrets for Clickbank. SEO, your own website. So, of course, you have to learn SEO. If you want to build your own email list, things like that. If you want your own ready-made funnel, so just a funnel that you can plug your information in, give it your own spin, send traffic to and earn money, that's a ready-made funnel ready to go. All available. Building your own landing pages, things like that. All there for you. And of course the Oz Affiliate tools, exactly all the tools that I use in my business. So everything available there for you to use. All you need to do is click the link below, join the newsletter, and go exploring. Find all the information that you want. Do that now. It's worth joining.